I called them and they all came running to me, and I've got one that's limping. I've lost track of where she is now, or he. I know. Chickies, come on. Come on, birdies. Are you going to come now? No. I'm just looking for the one that's limping. I think she's up here. Could be a boy. Come on, birdies. Or is it this one? Come on, birdies. Yeah, it's that one. Come on, birdies. They're so cute. They just like appear out of nowhere. The dog's running around. Just making sure he's... Yeah, good boy. Don't bother them. They don't like it. So the one with the limp... Good girl. She's calling the others and they're here. I'm warning them about the dog who's down there. It's all right. It's okay. Shh. It's okay, darling. It's okay. It's okay, baby. I can see. What a good... They listen to me. It's okay. We know. Let me come back to these guys. Now, hello, Tiny. You're so cute. You slept out in the rain last night. Like, what am I going to do with you guys? Okay, I want to see Hopalong. I want to just work out if I need to put Hopalong in a cage. Catch Hopalong. Come on, babies. Oh, look at you. You're so sweet. I know. Come on. Hi, babies. It's very wet. I know. You're very cute. The chairs are like this because they sit on them and poo. I'm wondering if that's the one that's limping. Oh. I find it hard. They need to be walking at a good speed, and then there's one that's got a definite limp. I'm trying to work out who she is. So this is the younger crew. I mean, they're all the same flock, but sometimes the younger crew will just hang around. They get tired. Like, as you can see, they're all here. And they feel pretty safe with a human. They know that I'm going to protect them. They don't want me to pick them up, but see, and this is the rest of them. They're all bigger. They're doing so well. Very proud of them. Hey! And yeah, the protectors at the top, the sentries. I know. Look at you all. You're so good. You're good geese. The ducks are good too. They quack at everyone. Here comes Penny. You're a good girl. Okay, let's go back and find these. Oh God, just almost slipped. Okay, babies. Oh, here they are. I was wondering where you all were. What were you doing? Come up. What you all doing? What you all doing? I think Slinky's gone. What you all doing? What's happened, Penny? Hey? And here's Big Tony. Oi! He's so cute. What you doing without your girls? Hey? Hi, my girl. I know. You don't look the best. This is the electric fence. So, I'm going to come here and try and get some videos of... Sorry. Just got to open and shut this and I don't want to... Sorry. Terrible videoer. Hi, baby. See, they followed me because I've come... I know. You don't want to be left alone. Is that the one that's limping? Chickies, come on. Hi, my girl. Hi, my girl. Chickies, come on. Come up. I was trying to video you all and you disappeared. You're down where the round bales have been. Eating all the insects. I know. I couldn't see you. Hi. Hi. So that's Roger the rooster there, the black and white one. Pretty sure that's the white one. Snowflake's a rooster. Then we've got Mr. Specs is the black one with the specks. I think that's a rooster. Then we've got Mrs. Sid, that's her there, the ginger one, she's a girl. Mr. Sid, he's a rooster. Big Tiny, who you saw before, is a rooster. Mrs. Specs there is a rooster. Then we've got that black one hiding and that black one following and this black one. And I just can't get close enough to them to get decent videos of them to show their feathers. And so they're all going up there now. I should have done all this in landscape mode. And all the guinea fowl are up here, all together by the looks of it. And we've got our geese and our duck. And hi, birdies. There's another duck somewhere. Oh yeah, the other duck, Delilah's already up in there with her chicks. And that will be Daphne there. Yep. And so, here we go. I love them so much. I cuddle them against their will, I can tell you now. Particularly the ones I think are roosters, because I want to be able to get along with them. Hi, Jerry. You've been looking after your girls? He's the oldest male. He's of the original gang of 4. So that's Jerry. That's Kramer, or yeah, Jerry, Kramer, who's a girl. That's, what is that, Kramer? It's terrible. As they're getting bigger, they're looking more and more alike. That must be Elaine. That's Elaine. And that's Kramer. And George. Oh, this is terrible. How? I know. What's happened with them? It's so cute. So these are the oldest, because there's Princess Lily and Dots. So they're the oldest, biggest of the newer Keats. And then all the babies are up in the hill. Just behind. They're like hardly, we're all very close. Okay, so that's Elaine. That's Jerry. That's... hang on. They do let me... Kramer's the most... Yeah, that must be George. That's Kramer. That's Kramer. Kramer pecks me when I try to pat her. I do pat her, but I have to be careful. She really hurts. She pecks me. I think that's George there. Yeah. And then we've got the babies coming down. Oh, so he's rounding up the horses. Hi! Hi, I know. You like our chair? It's a nice chair, it's comfortable. And it's harder for you to poo on. have to turn all my chairs upside down to stop you pooing on them. I know. Not just you, the chickens too. This is a super duper long video, isn't it? Oh, isn't he beautiful? You're so beautiful, I know. I just want to try and get a close-up, but I need a better camera. Hi. Hi. Oh, don't run away. I'm not even patting you. Don't run away. Don't run away. My guinea fowl friends will love this. I know. You're a good boy. They were the size of Tiny back there. And even smaller when I got them, they were tiny. They're so cute. I might have to lock you up. We're into shelters tonight. If you're going to sit on the cabin in the rain, make me worry about you. Hey? I know. I love how the babies stay out there. It's going to be interesting because I suspect this is what's going to happen when they hatch their own, is the little ones will, you know, be a little bit further away. So we've got our little creek here, which is fantastic for our ducks and our geese, because they love it, don't you? I know. He's cleaning himself with the water. Believe it or not, like, I know there's mud in there, but it's actually all spring fed. The actual water that's pouring into it's pristine. It's coming out of a spring in the mountainside. I know. I love the geese. So they've all gone up there. Can hardly look. There's a rock up there. I need to get someone to go up there and video them for me, for you all to see. They're going further and further afield. I do not get ticks on me or leeches or anything. And then look who I've stumbled upon. I'm right on top of you. Oh, just step away. Oh my goodness. Have I ever hurt you? When the dog grabbed you and took him in his cage and I thought you were dead, who wrapped you up and cuddled you for an hour because you couldn't even stand? You were in so much shock I thought you were dying. You couldn't stand. And then eventually he started cheeping, and then eventually he could stand, and he spent the night behind my bed on the floor. He was in shock, and then I let him out in the morning. Like, he was in that much shock, he really could not stand. And I don't blame him, because he was in the dog's mouth. And he was delivered into the dog's crate, like, and he seemed so tiny. And I thought he was dead. And I protect these babies. I love them so much. And that, I think they kind of don't mind me. I'm their human, but they really don't like being picked up. And some of them don't mind being patted. And I pat them all at night. It's much easier to reach them at night. But these ones, they're good. They're so good. They're just more than I could have hoped for. No leeches. Not with you guys, no. Not one leech. And I went up to my neighbour's property to feed their ducks and their goats, and I got a leech on me. I know, but we don't get leeches here, not with all these free-range birds. Not with you and the chickens, hey? I know. Hey. And at least as it's getting cooler, they'll be safer from snakes and goannas, so we can kind of relax a bit more over winter. Okay, this is mainly for my mum and a few of my devout followers who love sharing this life. Anyone that, you know, A lot of lonely people out there and people that want to live this kind of life. I know I always did. And now I'm living it, I like to share it. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.